Okay, this is our water heater. It's a tankless water heater, and I just love this. I don't know if it was dialed in, the gas valve was dialed in or not, but it looks, I can't prove it. The tape's not on it, so I can shut up about it. We have Black Jacket CSST, which does not have the same reputation as Yellow Jacket CSST. When you hear about CSST and about its dangers, they're talking about Yellow Jacket CSST, and this is Black Jacket CSST. Now, having said that about our gas, it's propane gas coming into the house, by the way. We do not have a sediment trap. We do not have a drip leg on our gas connection to the water heater, so that's a bad thing. Also, over here, see that? That is for the condensate. We're supposed to have a condensate line that comes out and then drains in the same room as the water heater. You would do that economically and easily by installing a safety pan. Other than that, a safety pan is not required. But since they didn't put it up, if you installed it correctly, because this creates condensate, and condensate is acidic, and if it doesn't drain off of this, it goes back into your heat exchanger and can ruin your system prematurely. What else have we got? Okay, our pressure relief valve. Okay, does that look like it's going up to you? But our pressure relief valve is supposed to have an air gap in the same room as the water heater. And how would you do an air gap in the same room as the water heater? By putting a safety pan in there. So what have we got here? No care and use manual. No condensate drain. No drip leg. No vacuum breaker.